How to hide chat on Snapchat. Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can hide chats on Snapchat. So let's get into it. So this is a chat right here, all right? Let's assume that we want to hide this chat. So to do that, what we'll do is we hold it down, we can see we have chat and notifications. We just simply go into chat and notification and we just see clear from feed. So what we can do is we can just simply clear from feed. Now if you look closely, it'll just clear it from our chat. It will not delete any saved or sent messages in your conversation. So this will not delete any messages. It'll just clear the conversation from my feed. So we'll just simply click on clear. Now how do I get it back? So now we just simply go into the search bar, search for the person that we want to talk to. So we just simply search for it, found it over here. We can see that our chat is still there. Now we can just simply talk to them again. And if we just talk to them again, it'll come back right here. So that is how you do it. That is how you hide and unhide chats in Snapchat. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.